name is Giovanni. I'm from International Class Early Childhood Education. Now, I want to explain about authentic assessment for early childhood education. According to Arifin, assessment is a systematic and continuous process or activity to gather information about student learning process and outcomes in order to make decisions based and on certain criteria and consideration. So, assessment is an integral part of learning. In each lesson, assessments serve to measure the extent to which students can achieve the learning goals that have been set. Assessment in learning helps teachers evaluate the effectiveness of the curriculum, teaching strategies and learning activities that cover student competence, knowledge, attitudes, and skill. The purpose of authentic assessment is to measure various skills in various contexts that include work, situations where the skills are commonly used. According to Morrison, the characteristics of authentic assessment are: first, based on the curriculum, children are judged on what they learn and do. Second, is a process of cooperation involving children, teachers, and parents, namely a cooperative and collaborative assessment process. The goal is to make child-centered assessment. Third, is a part of learning process. Fourth, assess the child as a whole, not just by skill acquisition. 5. Assessment is ongoing throughout the school year. Next, assess children and their actual or using example of work, portfolios, performance, journal project, and teacher observation. Next, take into account special needs or curriculum language, culture, or the special needs. Next, use a number of different ways to determine children's achievement and what they know and are able to do. Authentic form of assessment. First, observation. Observation is a way of evaluation by way of observing and recording systematically, actually, and rationally about their phenomena being investigated. Second, time sampling. Methods require observation that show the frequency with which a behavior occurs. Third, performance. Performance assessment is an assessment carried out by observing activity of students in doing something. Product assessment is an assessment of the skill in making product and the quality of the product. The principle of making judgment. First, educate. The process and results of the assessment can be used as a basis of motivating, developing, and fostering children to grow and develop optimally. Second, continuous. The assessment is carried out in a planned, a gradual, and continuous manner to get a picture of the children's growth and development. Third, objective. The assessment is based on clear procedure and criteria, not influenced by subjectivity of the assessor, so that is describe the actual data or information. The assessment is carried out in accordance with clear and accountable procedure and criteria. 5. Transparent. The assessment is carried out in accordance with the procedure, and the results of the assessment can be accessed by parents and relevant stakeholders. 6. Systematic. Assessment is carried out regularly and programmed according to the child grow and develop using various instruments. 7. Talk. The assessment covers all aspects of the child growth and development in terms of attitudes, knowledge, and skill. The assessment accommodates all cultural, linguistic, social, economic diversity, and including children with special needs. Next, meaningful. The result of the assessment provides useful information for children, parents, teachers, and other relevant parties. During the COVID-19 pandemic, all students took part in online learning at home. Each student usually receives teacher guidance in class. This time, parents must guide the children, especially early childhood. Now, parents will assist teachers in observing children's growth and development. Parents observe various children's activities at home through observing everything their children do, such as first, what children say, including facial expressions, movement, and children words, whether on homework, in the family room, in the kitchen, bedroom, or in bed. In this case, the parent only observe and record the child learning process in the form of videos or take photos of the children work, which are conveyed to the teacher via online media. In addition, parents also need to observe children's physical growth, such as measuring body weight, height, or length, and his circumference. If parents have difficulty accessing the internet or the network is suitable, the parent can tell activities carried out by telephone directly to the teacher or via SMS. Okay, I want to conclude all the material today about authentic assessment is the activity of assessing students who events what should be assessed, about the process and the result with various assessment instruments that are tailored to the competence demands and competence standards or core competence and basic competence. Okay, maybe just that for me. I want to thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because give healthy and tell you all material today, and I want to thanks to my parents, family, and lecturer, and all friends international class of early childhood education. Maybe just that for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.